All right, take 6. Hey y'all, it's Doug from Fleet's Woodshop in Houston. How are you doing? Hope everybody's doing great. I'm making this video for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so very much to all my subscribers. I haven't figured out yet how when YouTube sends you that Gmail notification of a subscriber, how to respond. It's a no respond notice that they're sending you. So if any of you guys know how, please let me know. I'd be very happy. The second reason I'm making this video is I appreciate y'all so much. I'd like to raffle off these 5 resin and burr castings that I have here. I was going to make lamps out of them, but I'm going to raffle them off and give them to you guys. Please leave a comment below saying that you would like to have one. So only those who could use them or would make something out of them. I want to see them go to somebody who can make something and then show me what you made. Okay, I'm going to wait about a month. Everybody who leaves a comment saying they'd like to have one, I'm going to put all the names in a bucket or a pot or a resin cup and do a raffle drawing. Then I'm going to mail them off to you. They're very nice. But again, I want to say thank you to the subscribers who have subscribed and to those of y'all who do subscribe. Please do if you'd like to win one of the blocks. I just appreciate you more than you know. Let me give you a little closer look at these blocks real quick if I can. This one's one of my favorite. I hope y'all can see the glitter in there. This one came out really nice. They all did, actually. I guess I should have said this pink and blue one is just phenomenal. The resin mix, what you can do with that stuff. Get those guys out of the way. This one's awesome also. They were all pressure potted. I can't find any bubbles in them. They all came out very nicely. There you go. So, hope y'all like them, and if you'd like to have one of them, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button. About a month from now, I'm going to do another little quick video. I'm going to do the raffle on the video so y'all can see I'm not cheating, and then I'm going to mail them to you. Alrighty? Y'all take care now.